Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Thursday, June 27, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 5 3/4 points to 29.23 3/4 per contract. All in all, you're going to see that the futures were a bit higher right around 5 o'clock in the morning, and then they started to fall. And right now, they are still in positive territory by 5.5 points or so, but they have come off the highs. So we're going to see how today plays out. This is the eve of the G-20 summit that will take place in Osaka, Japan, starting tomorrow. So again, we'll see what comes out of this. Again, everybody is expecting China and the U.S. to have some talks. We'll see if anything positive comes out of it for the markets. All right, let's get into stocks in the news because that's where we're going to try to focus and make some money today. KB Home in play today. Stock right now is trading at $25.21. It closed at $23.53. I think right around the $26 level is going to be very, very good resistance. If we get through there, then this stock can actually go all the way up to 27. But again, that's a big, big move. I'm not sure we're going to see that. So again, we're going to look at this one. Once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room, we'll see what it gives us there. Right now, though, the stock is flying high, getting a nice little pop this morning. Let's take a look at CAG. CAG is the ticker symbol here. CAG right now trading at $26.90. Closed at $28.94. So you got a $2 haircut here on the tape. When I look at the chart, though, I really have a hard time seeing this go a whole lot lower from where we are. If it does fall, there's going to be pretty good support around $23. I don't really expect it to get down there, but if it does, we'll keep that level on the radar. Otherwise, we're going to look at this one once the opening bell rings at 9:30. Next up, we want to take a look at MKC, which is McCormick. Stock right now is trading at $146, closed at $150.63, so there's a good little haircut here. Again, when I look at this one, this is a spice maker. I have to think right off the bat around the 145 to 143 level is really where the stock is going to find a lot of support. So we'll see how it plays out there. I will have gap levels, though, ready to go for this in the intraday stock chat room. So again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. And again, I'll give the best level I got for McCormick via the gap trade technique. And we'll look to play this one this morning. Next up, I want to take a look at Walgreens. WBA is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $54.04, closed at $52.38. So good little pop there for Walgreens. This stock has really been in a downtrend for quite a while now. I'm going to say for over 8 months. So when we look at this one right now, we'll give it the benefit of the doubt that it could trade up a little bit from here, but I don't think it goes a whole lot further. So be a little bit careful there. If you own Walgreens at this stage, trail the stop loss. It's the best you could do with it. You also want to take a look at CVS. Sometimes that'll react off Walgreens. Right now, that's trading at $53.75, basically right where it closed. Next up, I want to take a look at Accenture. ACN is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $179.79, closed at $183.34. So again, you got a little bit of a downtick going on here. I think there's a fair amount of support in this stock around the 176, 175 area. So we'll keep that on the radar. Then if you go a little bit lower, around 172.50, a little bit more support there. But I'll try to have some levels worked out for Accenture, and we'll see what we get once the opening bell rings. But nonetheless, this could be in play this morning. Next up, we want to take a look at Herman Miller. MLHR is the ticker symbol here. Ticker right now is telling us, the stock, I should say, is trading at $42.38. Closed at $37.83. That's a great move. I think this is overbought, though, at this stage of the game. If you own it, I would trail the stop loss immediately. Could it be a fade candidate? The answer is yes. So be a little bit careful here. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Next up, we want to take a look at Nordstrom Jwn. It looks like this was downgraded. Stock is trading at $31.45. Closed at $32.20. This is very close to the lows here for Nordstrom. The all-time low, or I should say the 52-week low, is at $30.50. So again, that's the level to crack through. I don't think it does that right now, but nonetheless, weak action for Nordstrom, especially after that downgrade. Next up, I want to take a look at Ross Stores. ROST is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $99.99. You can see it right down here. When I look at this is on the back of a downgrade. There is definitely some support in this area. A level, though, my level, best level, is much lower, around $93.50 to $94. I really like the stock around that area. But $99, if you get to 99 even number, that's going to be a pretty good support level as well. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see what it gives us. But again, pretty decent little drop on the back of a downgrade. Let's take a look at Boeing. Boeing is in the news today. It looks like they have bigger issues. FAA finding another software glitch unrelated to the current problems. This stock right now is trading at $363.84, closed at $374.94. So this will weigh on the Dow a little bit. Boeing coming under some pressure, but it is off of its worst levels of the day, so we'll see how that plays out. Let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures down 11 points. So gold is down and Bitcoin is down. Those two have been trading somewhat synonymous. Now we'll see how gold plays out. Gold futures right now trading at $14.04 an ounce. That is down 11 bucks. When you take a look at the GLD today, that's trading at $132.22. Gold has been overbought for the last week or so. Now it's finally pulling back in. Nothing really wrong. This is natural action. Again, we'll look at the GLD once the opening bell rings. Intraday level for GLD that I actually like is around 130. So we'll see if it does get down there. Next up, we want to take a look at crude oil today. Crude oil down 36 cents to $59 and a penny. So what can you say? Crude was also a little bit into resistance yesterday. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF, track the movement in crude. You'll see that is trading at $12.25, basically right where it closed yesterday. So again, spot crude right now trading at $59.04 a barrel. All right, there you have it. If you have not done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a pretty good week here. And again, a great 2019 overall. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day. And we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.